Good morning, students. Today I will explain the topic conjunctions. A conjunction is a word which is used for joining words, phrases or sentences together. Conjunction वो word होता है जो जिसका यूज टू वर्ड्स, phrases और या फिर sentences को join करने के लिए किया जाता है. In another words, we can say that conjunction is also a connector which connects the two sentences. Now see the examples. Ashok is both intelligent and hardworking. She is poor but honest. Now in these both sentences we have used and but, and they are joining the two sentences. Now kind of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. So there are three kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. So first we will study about coordinating conjunctions. A conjunction used for joining two independent sentences or two sentences of equal rank or importance is called a coordinating conjunction. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन जो है टू इंडिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस का मतलब होता है जिनका अपना एक सब्जेक्ट और अपना एक क्लॉज होता है, उनको ज्वाइन करने के लिए किया जाता है. नाउ सी द एग्जांपल्स. ही मस्ट वीप और ही विल डाई. शी वर्कड हार्ड बट शी कुड नॉट पास. हियर or and but are conjunctions and they are joining two independent sentence. We can also say that he must cry, he will die. Both the sentences have their own meaning. He worked hard, he could not pass. Now here also both the sentences are having their own meaning. They can stand independently. Now types of coordinating conjunctions. There are 4 types of coordinating conjunctions. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन जो है वो 4 तरह के हैं. फर्स्ट इज क्यूमुलेटिव conjunctions. So cumulative conjunctions add one statement to another and it gives extra information to create a meaningful sentence. So there are these conjunctions are and, also, as well as, to, may, now, no less than, well, etc. All these are cumulative conjunctions. Now see the examples. Mohan as well as his friends goes to the park daily. Saroj and his brother are hardworking. His father is not less to blame than he is to blame. Then comes adversative conjunction. Then adversative conjunction expresses opposition or contrast between two statements. They are used to combine two opposite sentences. These are but, yet, still, only, however, while, whereas, nevertheless, etc. Now see the examples. Rohit is poor but honest. She hates me yet I like her. Then I got the first position whereas my sister failed. Then Akshay is rich, nevertheless he is unhappy. Now in all these sentences there is a contrast. Then come alternative conjunctions. So alternative conjunctions are those that are used for expressing a choice between two alternative or are called alternative conjunctions. Alternative conjunctions, these words joins two statements to provide two alternative of which one is to be chosen. They give us the choice. The words such as nor, or, either or, neither nor, else, whether, or, all these are alternative conjunctions. For example, tell me the truth or get ready for penalty. He is neither a teacher nor a poet. You will either borrow or sell your car. I must work hard else I will fail. I don't know whether she will come or stay at home. Then comes elative conjunctions. Elative conjunctions, these conjunctions which are used for expressing an inference are called elative conjunctions. Now these kinds of conjunctions which join two statements of which one express the result or the conclusion of other, and they suggest conclusion or purpose. So some of the elative conjunctions are for, therefore, since, consequently, so. Now see the examples. Ram has no time since he is busy. He is honest, therefore he is respected. Then comes subordinating conjunctions. A conjunction used for joining two statements, one of which is dependent on the other, is called a subordinating conjunction. So subordinating conjunctions क्या होते हैं? जो दो स्टेटमेंट्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं, एक जो होता है वो इंडिपेंडेंट होता है और दूसरा जो सेंटेंस होता है वो डिपेंडेंट होता है दूसरे पर. Subordinating conjunctions are classified based on the meaning they convey. Now see, टाइम के लिए हम क्या subordinating conjunctions को यूज़ करेंगे, जैसे as, when, whenever, till, until, since, after, while, as, before, as long as soon as. So all these conjunctions are used for showing time. Then reason के लिए हम कौन से कंजंक्शन का यूज़ करेंगे? सबॉर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन का. बिकॉज, सिंस, एज, पर्पस, फॉर पर्पस, लेस्ट, सो दैट, इन ऑर्डर टू, result, that, so, for condition, if, unless, whether. Then for concession, though, although. Comparison, as, then, like. Manner, as. Now see the examples here. Lata sang so beautifully that everybody liked her song. Now it is showing the result. She cannot pass unless she works hard. Now here is a condition कि अगर वो पास नहीं होगी जब तक कि वो हार्ड वर्क नहीं करेगी. I am taller than my brother. Now here is a comparison. As you sow, so shall you reap. It is a manner. I am happy that you like my idea. Now in this sentence, some reason or cause is shown. When he arrived at the station, the train had left. Now when is used to show the time. You can sit wherever you like, and wherever is showing a place. Then correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions which are in the form of पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स. कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शंस जो है ये कंजंक्शंस पेयर में आते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे बोथ, एंड. ठीक है, देन आइदर, और, द, येट. नाउ फर्स्ट इज आइदर और. यू आइदर स्टे हियर और गो योर होम. सो इसमें क्या याद रखने वाली बात है कि इफ बोथ द सब्जेक्ट्स आर सिंगुलर then verb must be singular. अगर दोनों subjects हमारे singular हैं then we will use the singular verb. Then neither nor. Neither you nor your brother can stand first in the class. Now what you should remember here, if both the subjects are plural, the conjunction must be followed by a plural verb. अगर हमारे दोनों subjects plural हैं तो हमारा जो कंजंक्शन है वो भी जो है प्लूरल वर्ब से फॉलोड होना चाहिए. Then comes correlative whether or. I don't know whether she will pass or fail. Then as soon as I reached home, it started to rain. Then no sooner did the boys stop playing than the rain started. Now no sooner is always followed by then. जब भी हम नो सूनर का यूज करेंगे तो हमें देन का भी यूज करना है. सोनिया देख काके सारा